Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, where I get to share with you the knowledge that I learned in business school pertaining to finance, accounting, and economics to make the most informed investing decisions. Today, we're going to look over the top 4 penny stocks that analysts say are a fantastic buy right now, and this could give us around 408% growth if we get lucky on any of these. Then we're going to go over and talk about the 3 hottest penny stocks to watch out for in 2022. So if you want more videos like this one, remember to go and smash the like button right now, subscribe if you are new, comment your favorite penny stocks down below, or if you want more videos like this one. And now let's get right into today's stories. So before the video starts, I want to add that penny stocks are extremely risky, and you should always do your own research. This is not like investing into very safe blue chip stocks or even dividend stocks that are going to give you some sort of incentive for owning these stocks. But with the high risk of penny stocks, they also come with high rewards, with the potential of even 10xing in a single day. So today we're going to lower our risk slightly by looking to see what analysts say about these various penny stocks, and why some analysts, including analysts from very prestigious institutions such as Morgan Stanley, think that these stocks could be a clear buy right now. Penny stocks are not for everyone, and if you already don't have a solid portfolio to work off of, this may not be the video for you. However, penny stocks are extremely enticing for day traders and swing traders, mainly for their potential to give their investors fantastic profits. Analysts also like some of these penny stocks because these penny stocks are on the edge of the most emerging technologies right now that could penetrate very underdeveloped markets in some instances. And today we're going to talk about penny stocks that can give us over a 408% return in some cases. Our first penny stock we're going to talk about is Arcadia Biosciences, ticker symbol RKDA. And they are in a very good position right now because they are a nutraceutical and wellness company that focuses on plant-based healthcare. They already sell the Zola coconut water and Good Hemp functional ingredients, and they are looking to expand their products in the near future. Arcadia was also granted an allowance for their new US patent, and with this patent, this would grow Arcadia's intellectual property portfolio because they just got approved for another patent regarding soybeans in late December. But if we look ahead to 2022, what can this company give us, and what kind of returns are we going to be talking about? Well, for 2022, they have a good catalyst coming up because they plan to launch their 5 pasta SKUs based on Arcadia's GooWheat platform, and the campaign is set to launch later this quarter. According to the institution, which is H.C. Wainwright, they have a $6 price target for this stock and a clear buy rating. And this is great news because the current stock price is only hovering around $1.18, which gives us around a 408% potential gain if this institution and these analysts are correct. Next, we're going to move on to Diversified Healthcare Trust, ticker symbol DHC. So this company is a real estate investment trust, also known as a REIT. This company mainly focuses on healthcare properties in the United States, and so far they are doing very well. Last month, the company offloaded a 35% stake in a joint venture for $378 million while reducing some of their debts that they have on the books. Their chief executive officer and CEO said, "Since our purchase of this property in 2014, the Boston Seaport District has emerged as one of the top life science markets in the United States. Adding a new private capital partner to this existing joint venture highlights the sizable value appreciation in the past 7 years. It also provides additional balance sheet liquidity for DHC, and we expect it to help reduce our overall leverage in the coming year." The forecast for the stock is also very positive because, according to analysts, they maintain a clear buy rating for the stock with a price target of $6, which is actually an increase from their previous $5 price target by analysts. So it's always good to see institutions as well as various analysts increase their price targets for penny stocks such as this one. The current stock price for the stock is around $3.26, and right now it would give us around an 84% upside if analysts are correct about the stock. For the next stock on our list, we have Nextier Oilfield Solutions, ticker symbol NEX, and this is an energy stock that has had a lot of good news come out about it. And energy stocks are just a very hot topic in the stock market right now. And the reason why this stock is so hot right now is that it has increased its Q4 2021 revenue guidance, and it also expects to deploy an average of 32 new frac fleets during the first quarter of 2022. The company recently said in a statement that sequentially, we anticipate net pricing gains in Q1 of 2022 and increased utilization, with the expectation expectation that we can achieve double-digit annualized earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization per fleet by the end of quarter 1 2022. So this is all around fantastic news for this stock, and the majority of the time when a penny stock such as this one gets good news, it normally pops, and it already has because it currently trades at around $5.50, but analysts think this stock could go all the way up to $6.50, and the high-end analyst price prediction, according to the latest estimates, is $8 per share. So on average, the price consensus among analysts dictates at least a 67% upside from the stock's current price right now. Then we can move on to Tommy Environmental Solutions Incorporated, ticker symbol TOMZ. And this stock has rather high short interest. According to Fintel.io data, it says that the short float percentage is about 10% or more for the Tommy stock. This short percentage could continue to increase, and we could even potentially get a short squeeze out of this stock. This company develops disinfection and decontamination products, which I'm surprised didn't do better during the pandemic. It has also recently launched its SteraMist Amazon store and expanded its sales channels through this store. The institution H.C. Wainwright recently said that this company is a clear buying opportunity right now, and they have a current stock price target of around $3.50, and the stock currently trades for around $1.73, which would represent roughly a 102% increase from the stock's current price. Now, I do want to add that now whether analysts are bullish and view these stocks very positively, this does not guarantee that we will get returns. Again, penny stocks are extremely risky, and this is just for informational and educational purposes only. In my personal opinion, you should reach out and do your own research. Now, that's not to say to discount what analysts do and what their jobs are, because it can certainly help us understand the fundamental and technical aspect of the company's value. However, you need to make these companies your own by doing your own research, especially before investing into very risky penny stocks, such as the ones mentioned in this video. Now, with that being said, I want to go over the top 3 penny stocks for 2022 that weren't mentioned on this list by analysts. And we're going to start off with Vinco Ventures Incorporated, ticker symbol BBIG, and the current stock price trades for around $2.29. Over the past 12 months, this company has run up around 100% because of the good news that has been coming out about this company. This is a digital holdings company, and they even have a crypto business that focuses on non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs. This also relates to the metaverse, so technically this could also be a crypto and metaverse stock play, which is also fantastic because that is another super hot topic that investors are talking about in the stock market. They also recently underwent a joint venture with the company and landed around an 80% stake in a company that offers a platform that is very similar to TikTok. If we scroll down a little more, we can also see that our next penny stock is Transocean Ltd, ticker symbol RIG, and it currently trades for around $3.30. The low-end price target for this stock is $1. The average price consensus among analysts is $2.60, and the high-end price prediction for 2022 is $4. The reason why we may not be able to get even more growth out of this stock is because the stock has already increased and surged around 33% in the last year. However, with the world leaning more toward green energy companies, who knows what's going to happen to companies that major in the offshore drilling services, including oil and gas wells. And for our final stock, which you probably are familiar with, it's Zomedica Corporation, ticker symbol ZOM, and this is an extremely popular penny stock that many people talked about a year or so ago. Zomedica is a veterinary health company that provides a range of diagnostics products, and recently the company announced that it would be presenting at an upcoming H.C. Wainwright BioConnect conference in 2022, and this conference is going to air anywhere between January 10th through the 13th. The hype about this stock the prior year was its TRUFORMA product that it released, but because it didn't generate enough revenues that investors wanted to see, the stock ended up pulling back pretty drastically, as you can see from the stock chart. The current stock price for ZOM stock is 32 cents, but the high-end price prediction is $1.20, and although this doesn't look like a huge increase from 32 cents to $1.20, this represents well over a 200% increase. Another stock that I want to highlight is Senseonics SENS stock, which is a medical technology company that develops long-lasting glucose monitoring systems for people with diabetes, and it currently trades at $2.60. It has low-end price target by analysts of 80 cents, its average price consensus is $3.58, and its high-end 2022 price target is $6 per share. Another reason why I wanted to highlight Senseonics stock is not only because I report on it, but also they have an upcoming catalyst, which is their FDA approval, and their management recently said that in the next few weeks, the FDA approval for their new new Eversense continuous glucose monitoring system that can last up to 180 days will be coming out extremely soon, and with that approval, if they get approved, they can now sell this all throughout the United States. So that is going to be a huge catalyst, so we want to look out for that. But I want to hear your thoughts down below. Comment down below a penny stock that you really enjoyed that I didn't mention in this video. Remember to smash the like button right now, especially if you want more videos like this one. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.